Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here, and in today's video we are going to be doing one of the amazing hair growth products using just 3 ingredients. So 2 is here, you can see right here on your screen. That is ginger and clove. As time goes on, we are going to add our 3rd ingredient. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Join the family by clicking on the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the notification button after clicking on the subscription. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Join me, watch to the end as we do this hair growth magic together. The first ingredient, which is ginger, helps in blood circulation, thereby promote hair growth. So if you don't have ginger in your hair growth product, this is the time to add it to your hair growth product to stimulate that blood circulation and hence increase hair growth rate. Clove also has the ability to control hair fall, avoid premature graying, and fight scalp irritation, and also help in fighting dandruff. So you agree with me that the 2 ingredients are very perfect for hair growth. Now our 3rd ingredient is pawpaw leaves. So I have a video on pawpaw leaf, I have a video on cloves too. If you haven't watched those videos, scroll down, go to the channel, and you watch the videos on those 2 ingredients. Pawpaw leaves also has the ability to thicken your hair. If you have a thin hair, this is the solution for you. Don't hesitate to bring all the 3 ingredients together and do a hair growth product for massive hair growth. After boiling the 3 ingredients together, I'm just going to go ahead and sieve them. And guys, because my hair is low porosity, I was doing everything hot. I needed hot, at least warm liquid on my hair, so I went ahead to sieve it while it was still hot. But if you don't have a low porosity hair, your hair is normal porosity or high porosity, I will suggest, or I will advise you to allow the mixture to cool before you sieve it to avoid all the struggling. I was really struggling, guys. The thing was burning my hand. The mixture is very thick, and I'm going to use it as a pre-poo and deep conditioner. I'm going to use it on my hair. I will use it to spray my hair, cover it for some time, go around my normal duty before I go and shampoo my hair. And after shampooing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use it as a deep conditioner and rinse it out. Guys, if you've watched the video up to this moment, don't forget to give me a thumb up. My videos are really slow these days, and I want you guys to help me improve the rating of my videos. So guys, if you watch at this moment, give it a thumb up, and don't forget to share, guys. We need more people to join the family so we can grow our hair together. On this channel, we grow our hair with no pressure at all. So guys, until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting idea or product, bye.